Hello everyone! For this video, I will be performing semenalysis. This determines the number and quality of sperm in the semen sample. To do this, first we have to do macroscopic examination, and what I am currently doing is that I am measuring the volume of the specimen. This is measured by pouring the specimen into a clean graduated cylinder. Then, we read the lower meniscus. The normal range for the volume of the specimen is 2 to 5 ml. After measuring the volume, we measure the pH of the sample using the dipstick. The normal pH of the sample is 7.2 to 8. After waiting for it to react with the dipstick, we read the results. Now we proceed to sperm motility test, and this procedure is done not by me, but by my co-intern. So first, we have to obtain a slide and place 10 microliter of semen on the slide, which is what Miss Jules Pangilinan, my co-intern, is currently doing. And then we place a cover slip carefully. Now after that, we view it under the microscope. And this is what is seen under the microscope. So currently our photographer is struggling. But there you go! Go, go, go! So after we're done with the sperm motility, we proceed to sperm morphology. So what we have to do here is we have to get a slide and place 1 drop of semen sample, then make a smear and let it dry. After we dry our smear, what we have to do is we put methanol for our fixation. After that, we put eosin for our first stain. And then after putting eosin, we have to wait 10 seconds. After waiting for 10 seconds, we drain the first stain. And then, after putting the eosin, we have to put the second stain, which is the hematoxylin. And after putting that, we have to wait for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, we drain the second stain. And then, we rinse the smear with the distilled water, then drain off the distilled water and let it dry. Then place a drop of oil immersion on the smear and observe the smear under the microscope. Now we're done with sperm morphology, Let's proceed to sperm vitality. First thing that we have to do for this procedure is to place 1 drop of semen on the glass slide and add 2 drops of eosin and 2 drops of nigrosin. After that, let it settle for 1 minute. And then make a smear on a glass slide and allow it to dry in air. After drying, examine immediately 200 spermatozoa at high power and oil immersion objectives. Now we will proceed in measuring the sperm concentration. We use a WBC pipette and aspirate the seminal fluid up to the 0.5 mark, followed by aspirating cold water up to the 11th mark. Now load the pipette or put the pipette on the pipette shaker or manually mix it for 2 minutes. Place a cover slip on the hemocytometer. Now after that, using the well-mixed diluted preparation of liquefied semen, discard the first 3 to 4 drops in a tissue paper. Load the fluid in the hemocytometer chamber and allow the spermatozoa to settle. After that, we view the sperm cells in the hemocytometer using the high-power field magnification of the microscope, and we count the numbers seen within the 5 squares in the large central square. That's it for Semenalysis. Thank you guys for watching!